What's up, it's your girl Kirby Queen, and I'm back with another video. Today is Sunday, a busy day for me. Today I'm gonna do some juicing, I'm gonna do some meal prepping. Gotta meet with my clients today, so I decided to bring you guys along to kind of see what I'll do today. So stay tuned, busy day for Kirby Queen. Let's get this day started. First, I'm gonna start out with some juicing. Then I'm gonna do a little bit of cooking and pack my meals for a couple of days. Then I gotta meet with my clients, just a ton of things to do. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so first I start my day out by juicing. I use some green apples, some green grapes, some celery, pineapple, ginger, and some spinach. Sometimes I use kale depending on what I have. But when I make my juices, I like to do green juices. And then once I make up enough of whatever I have in produce at home, I'll take those, freeze them so I can be able to just grab them and go when I'm ready. If I want to do one in the morning, which I normally do, and one at night before bed. So that's how I started my day out before I got ready to do some other things. I started with juicing. Then after that, I did some meal prepping, but I didn't get a chance to get that footage. And then after that, I headed, changed clothes and headed with my clients to train them. But before I trained them, I got meal workout in because that's something that I like to do to stay consistent on my journey. I work out before I train my clients. Very seldom you'll see me working out with my clients, but I did a few exercises today, but I had already worked out prior. Alright guys, after I got done juicing, I decided to go ahead and pack up some stuff, as well as work on some administrative things I need to do before meeting with my client. I just picked up a new client, so I need to send her a contract, a PARQ form, informed consent form, and some other things, as well as add her to my schedule for the month of May as a client, so I can kind of keep up with what I need to do in my schedule. I use this app to kind of keep me organized, send them emails, etc. So I want to go ahead and do that, as well as check on my other clients that I'm working out with today. So I did that prior to after I got done juicing, before I go work out with my clients.
Alright guys, so I had to make a wardrobe change. Now I'm headed to start my workout. Once I get done with my workout, it'll be time for my clients to be there in about an hour or so. So I'm gonna go early, sit up, get me a workout in, play probably a few games of basketball, they'll do a little bit of lifting, and then by that time I get done, they'll be here. So, but it's my job as a personal trainer to kind of push out a little more, you know, be a little bit more transparent. Y'all, I don't have a problem with y'all being on time. Even if we reschedule days, y'all have been consistent for at least going up, finna be a month with not missing days. Even if y'all miss a day, y'all still make up because we here today. So I'm thankful for that y'all trusting in me to do that, and y'all should be proud of yourself. Y'all done been a month straight consistent, you know, for sure. Now y'all may have had days before that, but the work of May has been a little bit rough. Y'all could have easily quit, but y'all haven't. Y'all show up every day, you know, y'all do what y'all need to do. So that's something for y'all to be proud of. I'm proud of y'all, you know, but as a personal trainer, I want to set the standard and make sure I'm giving everything that I need for y'all to be successful, you know. So I just want y'all to have a healthy relationship with food, you know, because that'll help y'all be able to see results as well, you know, feel better, more energy. So we're going to kind of talk about, you know, and it's just be transparent, and I want y'all to be honest about it so we can know we working with, you know what I mean? I don't want August to come and we like, why we still? I know what y'all capable of. This is nothing. I'm gonna push y'all until I feel y'all giving me y'all all. Y'all don't work, but I done seen y'all work hard on other days.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop till the music stops. Alright guys, the workout is over. My clients had a great workout. Now it's time for me to go home and do some homework. And for those of you who don't know, doing my dietetic internship, so I need to go home, start on some homework as well, do some stuff for my clients as well, and then I'm gonna start all over and get ready for tomorrow for work and do it all over again tomorrow. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.